So what is OSS Cork?
The one-stop shop Cork Domestic Violence Information Resource Centre is located at 94 South Main Street, Cork City, off Washington Street. The office is located close to the courts and other services. We offer information, support, advocacy, assistance and referral services. We have a helpline and in-person one-to-one confidential support, as well as accompaniment to the courts and other services. Services are free of charge and open to all adult victims of domestic abuse. To speak to one of our support workers or to make an appointment, call our helpline on 1800 497 497. We are open Monday to Friday from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m.
When you first come to the OSS in Cork, you will be welcomed at the door. We will bring you into the client room and we like to offer you tea and coffee, and you'll be invited to sign a confidentiality agreement. The next thing we ask really is, what prompted you to make contact with the service? What is happening in your relationship that is causing you concern? What supports do you already have? And what else may be available? We may discuss a safety plan that again is different to each client. Together with your support worker, we will decide what are the next steps best suited to you.
Gay men present to our service with many of the same issues as heterosexual people. For example, coercive control, financial control, physical or emotional abuse. Disabilities, a positive HIV status, or precarious migrant status can also be used to manipulate or control a person. However, gay men are a minority group and, like many minority groups, often have smaller support systems. The anxiety of disclosing abuse is compounded by the fear of losing those supports or being shunned in the gay community. Consensual physical violence is sometimes a feature of gay relationships we have worked with. This can cross the line to abuse, but it can be hard for the victim to identify what's happening, as abuse, especially if his peers are also practicing such violence in their relationships. On rare occasions, both parties may present to the OSS, each claiming to be a victim or saying the abuse is mutual. In these cases, an ethical wall is created in the service, but we don't work with perpetrators.
Our court worker will help you with legal applications, as well as with applying for legal aid and accompaniment to court and connecting with solicitors. For example, you may have to deal with the family law offices located in the courthouse, which deal with, among other things, issues relating to separation, divorce, and child maintenance and access arrangements. These offices are also where applications for domestic violence orders are made. To apply for a domestic violence order, you'll complete an application form which includes a statement outlining why you are making the application. Office staff will arrange for you to apply for a temporary order to a judge at a court hearing ex parte, that is without the other party being present, and the court or the Gardaí will serve the documents to the respondent. You'll get a summons to a private court hearing for the long-term protection of a safety order or barring order, where the respondent may or may not be present. It is strongly advised to have legal counsel for this stage of the process. After this, both you and the respondent will each receive a copy of the court order. If there are any breaches of the order, the applicant may call the Gardaí, who can arrest the respondent. The offence will be tried in the criminal court.
We aim to provide a one-stop shop where a person can come and know that they will be supported through their journey from abuse to safety. We network with other organisations and can refer on to relevant services, including having a strong relationship with Gay Project, where we have developed mutual referral pathways. We are the only dedicated domestic violence service in the region that works with male victims. The reachOUT project ensures that we are informed and skilled to work more effectively with the gay community here in Cork. What we want for anyone who walks in the door is that they are met with compassion, understanding, and kindness, and that they are provided with all the information and support they need to make the right decisions for a safe and secure future.